Hi. How do you feel that you made it as one of the official candidates?
Very, very happy. I'm so excited. I waited for this for so long, you guys know. I'm just so happy.
Were you nervous throughout the whole screening kanina?
Yeah, because you never know what'll happen. There are like beautiful girls who didn't make it, so I was nervous. So I'm really happy though.
Are your friends and family here to support you tonight?
My team is here.
How do you feel na parang ang dami-dami, based sa feedback sa Sash Factor, ang dami-daming naniniwala sa kakayahan mong manalo this year?
I'm
Kasi
very
UP Law, Shamsi Supsup, ang dami, kamukha mo daw si Ariela Arina, Shamsi Supsup, tapos yung course mo, Teresa Ricaros, Shamsi Supsup. So maraming ng, di ba? Ang daming,
yeah.
meron kang, parang you're following someone's,
I know.
a lot of footsteps in Binibini.
Yeah, first of all, I'm very, very grateful. I didn't expect this. I didn't expect the kind of support that I'm getting, and it makes me more motivated to live up to the expectation, to be as good as them or even better if I can.
How do you feel that you have so many fans rooting for you here in
They
Binibini?
motivate me. The people who support me just motivate me because they give me strength, and I don't want to let them down. And because of them, I believe that I can do it. You know what I mean?
Yes. Do you think social media is a powerful tool in helping a girl's candidacy in a pageant like Binibining Pilipinas?
I mean, social media presence isn't a factor in the judging of Binibining Pilipinas, but I think it helps because the girls get their support, their strength from their supporters, so it makes them more confident. So it's important din even though it's not being judged.
Oh, by the way, what's your official number pala?
I'm candidate number, pwede ba sabihin?
Pwede na ba? Bawal pa? Oh, wag na muna, bukas na lang daw.
Baka
Diba?
ma-award ako. Tomorrow, abangan.
Grabe, who are you wearing tonight?
This is Pablo Mendez.
Wow!
Diba?
Ganda! Ay, by the way, can you talk about more about you? Pwede na ba? Official candidate naman na siya.
Yeah, official candidate.
Can you, a little background on your advocacy?
Oh, okay. So my advocacy, because you know I'm a law student and
Yes.
soon to be a lawyer, hopefully. So my advocacy deals with prisoners' rights. So like it's very connected to my field. And right now I'm involved with an NGO, and we go to different prisons, the city, municipal jails. And personally, I lecture about the legal processes, so they know what's going on in their case.
Wow! Nakatulong talaga yung course mo sa...
Yeah, I know. That's
diba?
why I feel very connected.
It's like you're giving back to society.
Yeah, and in law school I had the chance to go to jails, and it really affected me talaga, and I knew that I wanted to do something about it.
Sa tingin mo ba yung mga ganyang advocacy, do you think pageants now have evolved to become...
Sorry?
Do you think pageants like Miss Universe, Binibining Pilipinas have evolved to becoming more sympathetic to the causes or parang to the relevance of what's going on in our society right now?
As compared to years ago, especially pageants abroad, they're focused on their looks stuff. But now, they're doing something great. They're doing something meaningful, and it's nice then that the girls can get to have something to fight for, not just for themselves, but also for the causes that they believe in.
I see. So that's also your statement to a lot of critics or feminists who say that Binibining Pilipinas can really objectify or commodify women to a certain stereotype.
I mean, I really don't believe that. I think the contrary. I think it's the contrary. It celebrates women. It celebrates our beauty, our confidence, our strength, and our intelligence. Then. So it gives us a platform to showcase that.
I see. Last one. Ano pala height mo? Dami nagtatanong.
I'm 5'9".
Guys, 5'9". Ang ganda talaga, oh. Kakaiba siya, nag-stand out siya. Alam niyo pag nagka-love child si Ara Arida, si Shamsi Supsup, siya ang ano.
Thank you. They're two of my favorite queens talaga.
Yeah. A lot of people are saying na ang galing mo na raw sa Q&A as early as now. So does that make you parang all the more pumped up, confident for the road ahead?
Like, you think it would make me complacent or confident, but it makes me more nervous nga because I have a standard to live up to. So, yeah, just wait. I'm gonna do...
Yung mystique mo talaga dito sa pageant kakaiba. Kasi when we posted your picture right away after the screening, talagang sumabog yung pictures mo in terms of number of likes, comments, and shares. And yung mystique mo talaga kakaiba. So I hope you won't be able to lose that. Okay, sige, thanks pa.